Hey everyone, welcome to the Skill Tips. On this channel, we share quick tutorials, helpful tips about various programs, and some game walkthroughs too. Hope you enjoyed the video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add stroke to a text or an object in Adobe Photoshop, and customizing stroke color, size, position, and other options. First, let's start with the text. Open a project or a photo in Adobe Photoshop. Select the type tool and select an area. Then write whatever you want. For example, this is a tutorial. With the move tool, you can see we can change the position of the text. In the layers panel, double click on the text layer that we made here. As you see, we have layer style panel here. In this panel, we can choose stroke and add it to our text. Once you add it, it will add a random stroke to our text. You can change the color of the stroke that you choose and change the opacity of the color. Let's do it with another color. And you can change the size of the stroke here. In the position panel, you can choose where do you want your stroke to be, outside, inside, or center of the text. In the blend mode panel, you can choose the blend style of your stroke. We have a various amount of blend modes here. You can select and see what happens. And you can also add another stroke. You can see a plus symbol at the right part of the panel. With that plus, you can add another stroke and have another stroke. You can have a mixture of some stroke on your text. As you see, it depends on you. You can have a lot of strokes on your text. And click OK. In the layer panel, you can choose which effect, like the strokes, you want to be added to your text. You can uncheck every stroke that you've added to your text, like this. Let's do it with a picture. We have a symbol here. The procedure is the same. We want to add a stroke to this. So we have another layer. Double click on the layer panel. We see the layer style panel here. And the procedure is the same. We can add some stroke here. Change the size. Change the color, the position, the blend mode, and the opacity. And we can have a mixture of strokes here. Depends on you. As you see, we added 3 strokes to this logo. Everything like the size, color, and the other things depends on you. You can change it until you're satisfied. Okay. We can also uncheck the effects on the layers panel here too. Okay, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give a thumb up and make sure to subscribe for more tips and walkthroughs. See you in the next one.